Laser fundamentals, properties of two-level systems. In a simple two-level system, a population inversion is not possible with optical pumping because the rate of absorption becomes equal to the rate of emission. Now, let us discuss it in details. Here, let us consider a two-level system where G is the ground level, U is the upper level, and WP is the pumping induced transition rate for ground to upper or upper to ground level. Now for laser transition, we need a population inversion. That is, the number of atoms or molecules in the upper state must be greater than that of number of atoms or molecules in the ground state. At normal temperature, the population of the lower level is more than that at the upper level. So atoms must be pumped into the upper level by providing them energy equal to the energy difference between the two levels. Hence, a pumping system is to be used for the purpose. Here, there is also a two-level system shown. Nu is the number of atoms in the upper state or upper level, and Ng is the number of atoms or molecules in the ground level. If Wp is the pumping induced transition rate for G to U or upper to ground level, and tau is the natural lifetime of atoms in the upper level, then the rate equation for the two levels must be written as dnu by dt equal to minus of dng by dt. Since Ng plus Nu equal to N, that is equal to total number of atoms in the system, which is constant. Now this must be equal to the absorption rate minus stimulated emission rate minus spontaneous emission rate. So the absorption rate here Ng into Wp, and the stimulated emission rate Nu into Wp, and the spontaneous emission rate will be Nu by tau, since tau is the natural lifetime of atoms in the upper level. So we may write it as Wp into Ng minus Nu minus of Nu by tau. Next, in the steady state, what happens? The time derivative vanishes. Hence, we have dnu by dt equal to minus of dng by dt equal to 0. Or from equation 2, we get Wp into Ng minus Nu equal to Nu by tau. Next, since we have N equal to Ng plus Nu, so we may replace the Ng in terms of N and Nu as N minus Nu. So simplifying this one, we get this one. Next we get this, and next from this, taking common as nu, and next we may write nu equal to n into wp tau by 1 plus twice of wp tau. This is our equation number 4. Now for population inversion, we must have Nu, that is number of atoms in the upper energy state, must be greater than half of the atoms in the system. That is, Nu must be greater than n by 2. But from the above expression 4, it is clear that Wp tau by twice of Wp tau plus 1 is always less than half. That is, Nu is always less than n by 2. That is, number of atoms in the upper level will always be less than the number of atoms in the ground level. So, in a two-level system, at best one get equal populations in the two levels. Hence, no lessing is possible. Thus, population inversion is not possible in a two-level system. For more details, we have to continue for the next lecture. Thank you.